Hi girls, okay, so we're just going to go through your geometry test to make sure you understood it, where you went wrong. Okay, so write the name of each angle in the box provided. So I think all of you got this. You have your obtuse angle, which is greater than 90, less than 180. Your right angle, which is 90 degrees. Your reflex, which is between 180 and 360. And your acute, which is less than 90. Alright, so there's 4 marks going for that. Then in the diagram below, L1 is parallel to L2, and you can see that's depicted by these arrows as well. Write the measure of each angle shown in an empty box into the diagram without using a protractor. So we've gotten a transversal line. So you could use different things to answer different ones, but that's 70, this is 70 because it's corresponding. This gives you vertically opposite angles, so these two are equal. This is a straight line, so this and this will add up to 180. So if that's 70, 180 takes 70 gives you the 110. And then because that's 110, this is 110. And because that's 110, this is 110 again with vertically opposite. So that's 110 because of corresponding. So if you did it a different way, that's fine once you got them. Okay, in the back of the page then, so draw your angle of 65 degrees. Using a protractor, so I'm just going to do that now. So you could have gone from either side, you go this side or this side, it's up to yourself. So you get your protractor, you line it up at the end of the line, and you count up 0 to 65. And you draw your line. So the important thing when you're doing this is that you fill in what the angle is when you're done. Alright, so there's your 65 degree angle, and there was 2 marks going for that. Calculate the angle x in each of the following. Okay. So here we have 90 and 35. So your work, 90 plus 35 is 125. So then 180 minus 125 leaves you with 55, which is your answer for A. For B then, it's an isosceles triangle, which means these two angles are equal. So it's 180 take away 70, which leaves you with 110. They're equal, so divided by 2 gives you 55. Okay, and C, again, 30 and 75. This is the triangle where the external angle is equal to the 2 internal angle added together. So 30 plus 75 gives you 105, and that's X, because the external angle is equal to the internal opposite angle, so it's these two angles added together. Okay, question 5, calculate y. So this is a straight line, so it's going to add up to 180. So if I do 180, take away 60 plus 30, which is 90, I'm left with this angle, which is also 90. And then in question 6, calculate the angle x. So x is out here, it's an external angle, it's equal to the opposite internal angles added together, so 35 and 45 is 80, which gives you x. And then y, you can get, this is an x, so that angle is equal to that, vertically opposite angles. So then 40 and 45 is 85. So 85 then from 180 will give you y, which is 95. So y is 95. Alright, so have a look over your test and where you went wrong. Okay.